this video, we're going to find the constant of proportionality, the COP, which is what we talked about yesterday. Okay, and the COP is always the K of the equation. So normally yesterday I was giving you a table to find constant of proportionality. Today you're going to do it finding a graph. So you can pick any point on the graph. I always like to pick the first point because it's a small amount of numbers. So that's 7, 49. So 7 is the X, 49 is the Y. Okay, I write the point to remind myself. So remember yesterday, in order to find constant of proportionality, we did X over Y. That's going to be 7 over 49. Now remember, constant of proportionality means how many Y's per one X. So you want to get X to a 1. So how do I get from 7 to 1? I divide by 7. I do the same thing to the bottom. So 49 divided by 7 is 7. So the constant of proportionality is 7. Writing that in an equation, I need to write it as Y equals 7 times X, because that's the K, which is the constant of proportionality. So I'm going to do another example with number 2. I'm going to pick the first point here, 8, 64. I'm going to write it X comma Y. So that's how we write points. So we're going to find the constant of proportionality. So X over Y equals 8 over 64. And we want to find how much for one X. So 8 divided by 8 gives me 1. So 6 divided by 8 gives me 8. So this one's going to be Y equals 8X. So I want you to pause here, and I want you to do the constant of proportionality for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I want you to come see Miss Wesley to check your paper.